I'm going to talk basically about add-ons, and this is stuff you can really have some fun with or ignore completely. It's not going to matter. There's a lot of jargon out there. I'm calling them add-ons, but they're also called, things are called plugins and extensions. And there are some fine points and differences, but if you hear the words, they're not always interchangeable, but generally they are. And these are just simply programs that work with a browser to change something or to do something within the browser. And they're all a little different in those three programs, so I'm going to cover them separately for you and talk about Firefox first. This is an example of a Firefox, they call them extensions. And in this case it's AdBlock, and it's just something that keeps a few of the ads off your internet browser. It's a nice little extension. It's a good thing. It doesn't cost, any of these things don't cost anything. There's no charge for these add-ons. And they're fairly easy to put on your browser. So simply it has its version number, and you can click on a blue link up there and it'll take you to the developer's website. You can get more information about it. But in the case of Firefox, each one gives you a little definition like the ones here, ads were yesterday, and it tells you essentially what it does. So you can see that before you add it on. If your Safari looks like the one at the top, Google looks like the one at the bottom, they all use ad blocks so you can get them in any program. But in Firefox, I'll deal with their jargon first. They have extensions, appearance, and plugins, and they're slightly different. Extensions are essentially developed and approved by Mozilla, in this case for Firefox. An add-on can be an extension. It can also be a plugin. A plugin is not something for Firefox. It's something usually for all browsers. Something that'll let you see a flash player, something like that. Those are plugins. So that's something that goes into your computer as a little application and works on all the browsers, or should work on all the browsers. Whereas extensions are specific to whatever browser you're using. And all these browsers have something called appearance or themes or persona. They have different names. In Firefox, they're called appearance. And we'll take a look at that in a minute. So here are the definitions. Extension in Firefox gives you additional functionality.